In today's review, we're looking at this HG Grout Cleaner. Now, my kitchen floor has got some really dirty grout. I've tried everything to try and clean it up using Jif, bleach, etc. Just isn't coming up. So I thought I'd use something a little bit stronger. The HG products I've used in the past have been really good. And I purchased this off Amazon, so I'll leave a link below. But basically what I did is I got this and I diluted it down. And as you can see, if you look at my floor currently, it's got these really dark patches and it just looks awful. So what I did, I watered it down and I used this scrubbing brush that I purchased also off Amazon, and I effectively just used some elbow grease and started scrubbing as hard as I could. It took a long time to do the whole floor, but what you can see is after I scrubbed it down, this is what it looks like before, and that's what it looked like after. So I was really pleased with how it looked, and it actually does a really very good job. So I do recommend this product. Works really well. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next review.